If CapCut is showing a network error, don't worry, because in most cases this is caused by a simple version conflict, a damaged cache, firewall restrictions, or a DNS issue. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get CapCut working again without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is force CapCut to check for a patch update. Even if you already believe CapCut is up to date, sometimes the app needs to recheck for a small update to resolve connection problems. Open CapCut and go to the gear icon in the top right corner to open Settings. From there, select Version or About. Then click Check for updates. If CapCut finds a new patch, install it right away and restart the app once the update is complete. A lot of the time, that alone is enough to fix the network error. But if there is no update available, move straight to the next step. Next, clear the cache inside CapCut. Corrupted temporary files are one of the most common reasons the app keeps failing to connect properly. Go back into the gear icon and open Settings again. Look for cache size, and next to it you should see a trash can icon or a delete option. Click it and confirm the deletion. Don't worry, this will not delete your projects. It only removes temporary render files and cache data that may be causing the problem. Once the cache is cleared, close CapCut completely and reopen it to see if the issue is fixed. If you are still seeing the network error, the next thing to check is your firewall permissions. Sometimes Windows Firewall blocks CapCut from reaching its servers, which can trigger connection errors. First, close CapCut completely, then press the Windows key and type Firewall, and select Allow an app through Windows Firewall. When the window opens, click Change Settings. You may need administrator rights for this part. Now scroll through the list and look for CapCut. Make sure both the private and public boxes are checked. If CapCut is not listed at all, click Allow another app, then browse to your CapCut installation folder and add it manually. After that, save the changes and open CapCut again. If the error is still there, the problem may be with DNS resolution. This means your internet provider may be having trouble finding CapCut's server address correctly. To fix that, go to Windows Settings, then open Network and Internet and select Status. Click Properties on your active connection, whether that is Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Scroll down until you find IP assignment or DNS server assignment. Then click Edit. Change it to Manual and turn on IPv4. Now enter the Cloudflare DNS addresses. For preferred DNS, type 1.1.1.1. For alternate DNS, type 1.0.0.1. These are safe, fast, and often help fix connection problems immediately. Click Save, then restart CapCut so the new network settings can take effect. At this point, one of these fixes should solve the CapCut network error. If it does, great, you're back up and running. If not, try restarting your computer and checking your internet connection as well, because sometimes a simple refresh is all the app needs. And if you want more step-by-step tutorials like this, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel, because I post practical fixes that save you time and frustration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.